There's nothing like the relaxing, warm months of summer. The sun is high in the air, children and dogs play outside, and the pool is calling our name. While you begin to enjoy the warm summer season, it's also important to keep your lawn strong and healthy as the dog days of summer press in. Follow these maintenance tips to keep your lawn stress-free and hydrated all summer long. 1. Mowing. Many of us don't look forward to mowing the lawn in hot summer temperatures. Fortunately, there are a few things you can do to make this task as easy as possible. Mow the grass in the early mornings before it gets too hot outside. Don't let the grass get too tall, as taller grass makes it more difficult to push the mower. Specific grass types will require individual mowing heights to perform at their best during the summer season, as each grass variety has a different growing habit. However, you also don't want to mow off more than a third of the leaf blade at one time. If you go on a summer vacation and get off your mowing schedule, you may have to mow multiple times to get the grass back to its desired height once you return. Be sure to wait about 3 to 5 days between each mowing. 2. Apply a summer fertilizer. The summer season is a crucial time to keep your lawn well fed. The summer heat can be brutal on home lawns, especially if you're located in the south. Keep your lawn stress-free with the Lawnify Summer Fertilizer Box. Lawnify, powered by Catalyst technology, is an easy-to-use fertilization program that will keep your lawn looking great year-round. Containing 3 separate bottles of liquid fertilizer, the Lawnify Summer Fertilizer Box contains essential nutrients your lawn or garden needs to take on the stressful heat of summer. Make an initial application of Lawnify Maintain, followed by an application of Recover a few weeks later, and a final application of Recover to give your home landscape nutrients that will help it continue fighting stressful temperatures. Follow the application schedule that comes with your Lawnify Summer Fertilizer Box. 3. Watering. Watering your lawn is one of the most important parts of summer maintenance. With temperatures peaking around this time of year, it's critical your lawn stays hydrated. Water in early mornings. Your lawn will need about 1 inch of water per week, including rainfall, to stay lush and green. However, adjust as needed, but make sure not to overwater, as this can lead to disease. 4. Control weeds, insects, or disease. With warmer temperatures come pests like weeds and insect infestations. However, it's not advised to apply any weed control products at this time, because the summer heat may burn the chemicals into your grass and damage the lawn. Consider hand pulling or spot treating weeds at this time. And be sure to apply a pre-emergent in the spring next year to keep summer weeds from returning. Disease in warm season turfgrass like St. Augustine, zoysia, or Bermuda grass is less likely during the summer. However, the summer is an opportune time for disease outbreaks in cool season grasses like bluegrass or fescue. Consider applying a systemic fungicide with an active ingredient to prevent or kill turfgrass diseases. If a disease is present, make sure to apply topically to the lawn with at least 2-3 applications spaced a few weeks apart. Finally, apply a broad-spectrum insecticide to keep summer pests like mole crickets, chinch bugs, bill bugs, and sod webworms away. If you put down any granular control products, make sure to immediately water the lawn to help get it down into the soil. Remember to read product labels thoroughly before application. Following these easy steps will keep your lawn looking great this summer. You can find our family of products and detailed homeowner maintenance guides for your grass type at sodsolutions.com.